Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. My name is Muhammad and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to fix the VAL 5 error in Valorant. So let's get started. First of all, you will download Revo Uninstaller from Google Chrome or any browser you have. After installing Revo Uninstaller, just open it like this and search for Riot Vanguard. After you found it, click on it, right click, uninstall, and continue and remove all the files that link it with Riot Vanguard. Then you will open a Riot client again. It will ask you to update and it will re-download the Riot Vanguard. After re-downloading Riot Vanguard, just go to services and write on your keyboard V. You will find VGC. Right click on it, choose properties, and startup type, change it to automatic. It will be manual, change it to automatic. Then click on apply and start. It will keep loading and then it's fixed. The next step, go to the search bar and write clean boot. Okay, and choose this system configuration option and choose services, hide all Microsoft services and uncheck everything, only leave VGC and click on apply again. This is the second solution. The third thing you want to do is to click on here on your Wi-Fi or your internet and right click, then choose open network and internet settings. Then click on change adapter option and right click on your internet properties. Then go down until you see this internet protocol version 6. Uncheck this option. Make it like this. Then go to internet protocol version 4 and click on properties and use the following DNS server and write this numbers right here and make sure you check this option, validate settings, and click on OK, close and restart your PC and everything will be fixed. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any issues.